Hello and welcome to Syed Raza Tech Craft. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a Python environment in your desktop or laptop. So to begin, you open your browser, type Python download in the search bar. Click on this first website, python.org. Once you are inside this website, you need to click on downloads. Scroll down and you will see the latest version of Python, which is Python 3.140. Click download. A new page will open. Scroll down and from here you need to select which environment you need the file to be downloaded for. So in my case it's Windows Installer 64. Click on it and it will start downloading. Wait for it to finish. Once the download is completed, open the file and inside here you will need to select add Python exe to path. Click install now. It will take few minutes to install depending on your system. Once it's completed, you will see a next screen. Now the installation has finished, so you can click close here or you can leave it open, and now you need to open the command prompt on your system. Inside the command prompt you need to type python --version and click enter. And here you can see the Python is installed on your system. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.